Once upon a sunny afternoon, in a quaint little town by the riverside, lived a small girl named Lily. With her bright eyes and infectious smile, Lily had a heart full of wonder and creativity. One day, she stumbled upon the enchanting art of making paper boats while flipping through the pages of an old book she found in the attic. Excited by the idea, Lily decided to try her hand at crafting a paper boat. She fetched a sheet of paper, carefully following the instructions she had discovered in the book. With nimble fingers, she folded and creased the paper into what she hoped would be a perfect little boat. But to her surprise, the boat turned out to be much larger than she had expected. It was a beautiful sight, nonetheless, but Lily couldn't help but feel a bit disappointed that her boat had grown so big. Undeterred, Lily was determined to master the art of making a small paper boat. She spent days folding and experimenting, but every attempt seemed to result in an oversized boat. Feeling a little disheartened, she decided to seek guidance from someone who knew more about the craft than she did. She had heard about Mr. Bennet, the wise and kind-hearted retired schoolteacher, who was known for his extraordinary skills in origami and other paper crafts. With her crumpled oversized boat in hand, Lily walked hesitantly to Mr. Bennet's cozy cottage by the river, hoping he would be willing to help. Mr. Bennet greeted Lily with a warm smile, inviting her in. She shyly presented her large paper boat, explaining her earnest desire to make a small one. Mr. Bennet carefully observed her work and understood her determination. With patience and gentle guidance, he began to teach her the secrets of folding and creasing, sharing his knowledge with the eager young girl. As days turned into weeks, Lily visited Mr. Bennet's cottage regularly, honing her skills and perfecting her technique. Under his watchful eye, she practiced, and gradually, her paper boats began to take the shape and size she desired. Each day brought new joy and excitement, as the bond between teacher and student grew stronger. Finally, the day arrived when Lily successfully crafted her first tiny, delicate paper boat. It was a moment of triumph, and her heart danced with joy. The boat was small enough to fit in the palm of her hand, and she admired it with pride. Over time, Lily's paper boat making skills blossomed, and she became a proficient little origami artist. She made countless boats and even started gifting them to her friends and family. Her passion for the craft grew, and she found pure happiness in every fold and crease. But what delighted Lily the most was the friendship she had formed with Mr. Bennet. Their shared love for paper boats had brought them together, and he became not only her teacher but also her mentor and confidant. Their afternoons spent crafting by the riverside became cherished memories that they both held close to their hearts. And so, in that small town by the riverside, a young girl's determination to make a small paper boat led her to find not only the art she loved but also a teacher who filled her world with happiness and wisdom, making every fold of paper a testament to the joy of learning and the magic of friendship.